Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. We got Josie here today.
Hi.
We're going to be talking goals. We're going to be talking net worth. We're going to be talking with Josie, and we've got Happy Meal. So stick around right after this. All right, since I already did my intro and told you who I am, I just wanted to throw out there, one, I'm a licensed CDL operator, but I'm not your licensed CDL operator. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is in no way transportational advice. So, that out of the way.
He's a truck driver.
I'm a CDL operator.
Whatever.
I'm a licensed operator. It's very, very skillful.
Yeah, I mean, I can't drive.
Oh, I could teach you to drive. That's no problem. So, well, what did I say we were doing? Oh, we were talking goals. We were talking net worth. Right off the bat, we're just going to get the likes and everything out of the way. Y'all know the drill. We got the likes going. So, I got 66 likes on the last video. Josie says that's not a lot, but hey, I think it's good. So, but what else was I saying? What was the number?
I lost it.
Oh, damn.
I just spent like 2 hours in like napping so hard I was in a coma. Not really a coma, but I could have been.
Okay. Wait. It's there. Oh, 1173. So the emergency fund is at 1173. And then how many likes did I say?
66.
66.
Or 64.
No, it was 66. So we've got 66 likes. 1173. We need the cards. So we're going with the cards because, yeah, don't forget them ones. Those are probably all the aces. All right. So I'm going to let you pick the card here. We'll shuffle it up really good. Good enough. Good enough. Pick a card, any card. What do we got?
8.
Oh, we got an 8. So we got to keep going until we get at least 10. What do we got? A 2? 10.
We have 10.
So we got 10. So that puts us at 76. And 76 plus 1173, that's what? 1249? Yeah, there we go. Is it 1249?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? You're in school. You do math.
Not very well.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. Math is your worst class.
Yeah.
So, well, that happens. So, I'm going to do some shout outs. Everybody talks about there's not enough men in the budgeting community doing the budgeting stuff. So,
There isn't?
No, there's a lot of women that do the budgeting
I always
stuff.
just thought it was like dads from the 1950s.
I'm not from the 50s.
I know, but I think everyone else is secretly from the 50s.
Secretly?
Yeah.
How are you secretly from the 50s?
Time traveler. And you're secretly a horse, too. You're a horse from the 50s.
1950s horse.
Yeah.
That's weird. I mean, it's very specific. I don't understand how you came up with that.
Horse.
Oh, horse. Okay. What was I saying? What were we talking about? Oh, shout outs. Caleb Bale. Caleb Bale is a Dave Ramsey style budgeter. He does the zero-based budget, he's got like reviews on debit cards. So cashback debit cards, and that way you can stay away from the credit cards. You can follow Dave Ramsey, and he does a great job. Caleb Bale. And then Marcus, the debt-free dad. You have him. He's over there doing his budget, then prank gifting his kids. He gave a prank gift to his kids. It was like an onion and a piece of garlic and something else in a bowl.
I would accept that.
I thought it was a pretty good gift. It reminded me of Scrooge, where his dad gave him the the 10 pounds of veal. And he's like, is it a choo-choo? And he's like, no, it's not a choo-choo. It's 10 pounds of veal.
I never watched Scrooge, I don't think.
Really?
No.
Scrooge is amazing.
Either that or I didn't like get any of it because I was too young. But...
You were probably too young because we've watched it, but it's funny. The ghost of Christmas Present is like a fairy, and she beans him right in the face with a toaster.
Sweet.
It's great.
He sounds sick.
So there we go. We've got, what did I say? We got Caleb Bale. We got Debt Free Dad. There's other ones out there, and I don't know, drawing a blank right now, and I shouldn't be. I feel bad about that. So, but we're going to move on. Otherwise, this video is going to be like 2 hours long, and I've got dinner on the way that I got to go grab in a minute, and then Josie just rambling about 1950s horses. So,
yeah,
here we go. We're going to talk some goals. So, I'm going to look over here at my list of goals while you tell everybody what your goals are.
I don't think I really have any, like, why are you looking at it like that? I don't think I really have any, like, 2022
I wasn't
goals.
looking at you. I was looking at the paper.
Said, look, why are you looking at it like that?
Because I'm trying to read what I have.
And you're like...
I was just...
Whatever.
Dead air.
Sorry. Well, like, maybe I want to get, like, some cool antique stuff so I can, like, make my collection bigger and cooler. I want to decorate my room better. Maybe get some posters or something.
What kind of posters?
I don't know.
Not very specific goals, are they?
No, they're not.
Oh.
I want to get better at my art.
Oh, you know what?
Hmm.
You know what's funny?
What?
I thought you were going to say something about painting.
Yeah. I want to get better at my art and stuff, which is, I know it's going to happen, but I want to get, like, really good so I can scare the old ladies at the fair again.
That was good. They think you're a murderer.
Yeah, maybe get better at my singing, too, you know.
You can do the Christmas duet album with your mom.
I could.
She wants to do one.
I could.
And there's a studio in Coleman.
What?
I don't know. That's what your mom said.
Cool.
Yeah, very cool indeed.
You know, just like basic level stuff for me. You learn more history stuff and fashion stuff. Well, fashion history stuff or just history in general. You know, not be my history teacher's least favorite child anymore. Not child, but like student. Although it was kind of funny. But, you know, anyway, to Leroy, I guess.
Oh, to me. Okay, I see what you're saying. So they asked her, speaking of her history teacher, they said, the teacher, I guess, said something about, did you know that Christmas is, you know, what, pagan in origin? Oh, yeah. So Josie's, and he was just blatantly ignoring her. And then some other kid was like, raised his hand and he's like, yeah, you. And he's like, Josie has a question.
Well, I had more of something to tell him, and then I told him more about it, and he ignored me.
Yeah, so
he ignored her. And then some other people in my grade are making fun of me for the stuff we do. So
yeah,
a little bit quirky, if you will.
You know what? You can. When I make a Viking axe, you can take it to school.
No.
I'm just saying, you know, just bloody your enemies and all. So, okay, so my goals, since we got Josie's goals, you know, is, you know, kid stuff that's not kid stuff. That's not what I meant. I meant stuff that would be your age that you want to do, you know, totally antique out your room, put up some random posters, just random posters.
Oh, I'm not sure. I don't anything specific posters, but just not like specific. Some posters and stuff I like.
Like Marilyn Manson?
I don't like Marilyn Manson.
I had a Marilyn Manson poster when I was a kid. And you put it under a black light and it lit up. It was cool.
Cool.
Yeah, it was
maybe
totally
like band posters, movie posters, cool whatnot.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
You may go now.
What? Oh, I may go now?
Yes, you may talk now.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so I've got my goals. The refi came through, so my mortgage is actually the same what I was paying before. So I'm taking all that extra money. And I will be putting extra on the mortgage. Yes, I know, Guillermo, I should be just simply investing that money. But the wife does not like the thought of having a mortgage at 75. So happy wife, happy life. We're going to be putting extra on it. She has a couple small medical bills that she wants to pay off this year. So we're going to pay that off. I want to get 3,000 to 5,000 into my emergency fund, which that's going along pretty good. I'm going to do a whole bunch of savings challenges. I got the 52-week challenge I'm going to do. I got a plant one that I got from Budgets from M. I got the, I'll show you in a minute because I got Happy Meal also. I forgot to mention that. So I want to get my fitness I'm fat. I don't want to be fat anymore. So see,
you just have a dad bod.
Yeah, I don't want a dad bod. I want to be like, I want to have a rad bod, not a dad bod. Okay, so I want to get my editing skills better. I want to read a book a month. I got that one from Kat. And then, like I said, my fitness, I signed up for a gym membership. And then I'm going to make a goal schedule. I'm going to take all my goals. I'm going to put them in smart format so I can get them, everybody. There's been a million videos on smart format. So I just want to make them measurable, attainable, and in a timely manner. So we talked Josie's goals. Now we're going to talk net worth update. Can you hand me that top page right there? Wait. I actually printed this out.
I also forgot a goal.
Oh, what's the goal?
I want to sew a cloak.
Oh, yes, a cloak. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. You know what? I want you to make me some authentic Save Kona gloves.
That's not happening.
Why not?
I can't even.
Well, we need white cat fur, so I think Leah would let us have hers. So, all right. So my assets, as of December, the end of December, $239,697. Not bad for assets, huh? And my liabilities are $97,713, which gives me a net worth of $141,983. And it puts my fire assets at $74,196. So boom, we ended the year strong. I've got it on paper, so that way I can track my progress for next year. And now, you know what? Now that the net worth's done, goals are done, going to sew a cloak. We'll come back at the end of next year and see if the cloak has been sewn, because you got that body thing now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to put
her name's Jewel.
Jewel, she's got a body thing named Jewel, like Jewel the singer.
No, like Jewel, like at the very end of The Nightmare Before Christmas, the doctor guy makes basically a wife for himself, and her name's Jewel.
Oh, that's nice. He wanted a companion.
Yes. One that wouldn't run away.
Oh, well, he could have just made her with no legs.
Oh.
Yeah. No. Get a wife with no legs. She won't run away. Can you hand me that whole stack of stuff there? Now, this is the fun part. This is the Happy Meal. So, you can toss that back up there. I got the Saving Challenge Budget from M. Sorry, I didn't print it out with any color. So this one looks like when you're done with it, it's $17.55. So you save $17.55, so I'm going to do that one. Budgets with them. I'll leave all their Etsy shops linked in the description below. This one's pretty cool. This one's Shannon over at Kitchen Shenanigans. It's an accomplishment savings challenge. So you write the goals that you want to accomplish. So, and then when you accomplish the goals, you color it in, and whatever you accomplish equals that much. But what I'm going to do, if I don't accomplish the goals, I think I'm going to do $5 per goal, because I think there's 30 on here. So $5 for every goal I accomplish. If I don't accomplish the goal, double that. So that way I also have a punishment. And then I got some stuff here. This I believe is from, I think this is Hands and Bands, I think. I'm trying to make my own planner, so I got like some monthly budgets, some calendar, monthly bill checklist, expense tracker. I got a sinking fund tracker. I think that one's Hands and Bands too. I bought like the 8-page bundle. I bought a calendar thing from Happy Budgeting Store, and that's got the same thing, some budget expense tracker. Then I got D-verse debt expense tracker. So we're going to see what I can do. I'm going to figure it out. And I'm going to do some expense tracking. I'm going to get me a planner, and I'm going to start planning things, because 2022 is my year of intent. I'm going to be intentional with stuff. And, yep, thumbs up. The one thing we've all been waiting for, or at least I've been waiting for.
Did you get fan mail?
Yeah, kind of. I got, like I said before, I wanted to do that. I haven't even opened it yet. I wanted to do the the scratch off challenge, and somebody actually paid for me to do the scratch off challenge.
What's
they
that?
bought it for me. It's from Hands and Bands. Oh, we got stuff in here. More stuff in here. What do we got? We got a thank you note from her. This is from Alicia over at Hands and Bands. We got, a 1,000 bill. This says 40 and broke on it. That's awesome. Thank you. She says the image is supposed to be a truck driver. I'll have to look at it when I'm not getting thank you note from her. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I don't sound as excited as Erica over at Black and Blue, but man, I tell you what, she got this, and she got this one girl, or one woman, Erica, from Black, her channel's called Black and Blue, and she got this scratch off challenge, and she just scratched them all off at like once because she was so excited to do it. So I got the 100, a 50, a 250.
What's a scratch off challenge?
500 and 1,000. So basically what you do is you scratch these off, and then underneath it tells you the number that you have to save. So, and then it'll equal out to $250. It'll equal out to 100, 50, 500, and 1,000.
So are the scratches there just to like make it seem less of like a...
Yeah, so it's a surprise. So you don't know what. Should we scratch one?
Sure. I have long nails.
Well, grab a penny. Or a 50-cent piece or something. Oh yeah, that's the penny for your grandma. I forgot. I told her that was the urinal penny that I found. It could be. I found a penny in the urinal the other day, but I was like, I'm really not that hard pressed for a penny to grab it. So what do we got here? What do we got?
Hang on.
Oh, it looks like we're doing the 250 challenge. $5. All right, so I'm going to set $5 aside. I'm not sure what we'll use this 250 for. So, but all right, everybody. Thank you so much, whoever got me this challenge. I mean, that's just amazing. I'm still kind of at a loss for words for that. So we're gonna do this challenge. Maybe this 250. I'll do it. I'll take that, and whatever I save up for here, that'll be a pay it forward challenge. Since somebody paid it forward for me, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to pay forward for other people. So, all right, there we go. So that's it. That's my net worth. That's everything. You got anything else to say?
I don't know.
No?
Yeah, I don't really know.
Okay. So, all right. Well, she's basically still in her sleep coma, and I've got to go pick up pizza for dinner. So, all right, everybody, you have a happy new year, and let's bring 2022. Let's go out and get it. Let's hustle. Let's hit it hard. 2022 is going to be... Don't make me laugh. I'm serious.
I'm just thinking about like those Instagram pages that are just like, hustle to you, get it. No more sad crap. Boss up. And I think that's really funny. So.
That is awesome. I'm going to put that on my stuff.
Please don't.
I'm stealing all of that stuff. That's right. Hustle till you get it. What else? No more sad stuff. Boss up. All right. 2022 is a great one, y'all. All right. We're ready to hit this. And like Josie said, boss up. All right, everybody. Have a good one.